it's not only the big engines of Sodor that are sentient, but also the exceedingly small model engines too. They're often overlooked, but they work just as hard as the big engines do. There is one railway system that is old but still in perfect working order, and it's called Hornby 00. One beautiful Sunday morning, when it was cold outside but lovely and warm indoors, it was time to run the model railway, and as intended, on the floor.
Morning N2, with a busy day ahead of us today. There should be a goods train arriving any moment.
Well, there should have been a goods train, but Standard Tank was held up at the level crossing, having a catch-up with Weetabix fan.
I absolutely agree.
Do you? Come on, chatterboxes, we're late with the goods. N2 will be worried.
Oh, cheerio. Go on again, Sue.
Sorry I'm late. Got talking to Weetabix fan. Oh, he's a right chatterbox once he gets going.
Oh, do come on. You're blocking the line. Get this goods train out of my way. Come on, move out the way.
Then N2 realised the big problem. There was the goods train, then behind that was Sir Nigel Gresley, and in front of the goods train was Duchess of Montrose. Luckily N2 was an ace shunting engine and told them of his plan to get everyone on their way. Right, is that clear? Please put the music on, driver. I can't shunt without it.
Oh, why was I put in the siding?
Quite right, know your place, Duchess, in your dirty siding.
Oh, he's such a snob.
And thank you, N2, for that wonderful detour. Once the big engines had gone, N2 got underway with shunting the next goods train for Standard Tank. Right, your next train is ready for you, Standard.
Ah, thank you.
Don't talk to Weetabix fan for too long at the crossing, will you? After Standard Tank had left, N2 returned to his favourite siding and had a lovely rest in the afternoon sun, till his next job.